Sneakers or dress shoes?
Sneakers.
City or countryside?
Countryside.
As a child, what did you want to be when you grew up?
Tank driver.
Would you rather climb Mount Everest or finish the Ironman?
Everest would be better.
What is your go-to karaoke song?
Hey Jude, Beatles.
If you could give a piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be?
Be more patient. I'm process control manager. In my area of responsibility is a glass chemistry, glass quality, glass raw materials, then industrial control systems, process control group, and management of ideas. I have been with the company 17 years. I had several races where I fell off the bike, but I have one individual that was painful. It was the last race of the season. I recognized that there is a mud. It was too late. There was a small curve and I didn't make it, and I went through the curve directly into the trees. And the trees were stronger than my shoulder. It was displaced, it was dislocated. I called the first aid and they told me, don't move, stay where you are. It was drizzling, and after half an hour of waiting, I was starting shaking on the body, and I spent another half an hour waiting and they were not coming. They called me and said that the terrain is so difficult that they cannot get to leave the car to me. I said, that's not the problem. I take the bike and I just finish it. I came down from the hill with one hand, and the other hand here in the jersey, I nearly finished the race.